Welcome, everybody. I am not as tall as Al. Okay, opportunities and learning experiences as we came here. One of the things we've really focused on as we moved here, the green and blue pipe overhead that delivers the coolant right to the workstation, so we're not packing buckets, spilling, slipping on it, that sort of thing. And so photo optics in this space must be overcast today because the lights normally shut off where the Jack's Metals Works, Ferguson, and Rural Steel. They've all contributed in some way to all the information needed at the point of use for our team. We've got quite a ways to go on that, but that's our goal. We used to operate one person, but
it's already amazing.
It's already amazing. But we want to express our appreciation to King Machine, Idaho Machinery Company, the Rekluse team wants to make it different.
Not only means a lot to our team, but to me personally as well. For me, this journey started when I first met Al. It's been really incredible. Smaller. It adds more features. And innovation is through our products, invent new ones based on their needs and what we learn. It's figuring out edge performance. We also have some great local vendors. Dwayne touched on some of them. Anodizers Inc.'s here. By them doing that, they're able to make parts for us.
Graduate of Boise State University in mechanical engineering.
And frankly, it's a lot of fun. We're involved with race teams, racing, worldwide, national championships. And you know a little bit about the Dewey Decimal System, but you're really not sure how to navigate through all this. And a lot of that just goes back to the strength of that program and the community and the resources available here in Idaho to support companies like us. We have been exporting for 8 years to get that type of growth. We're doing our best to, equalize the U.S. Won with Rekluse products and won world championship in 2011 alone. That we are a profitable company, an American-made company, is really the bottom line. So ready to work interns. We have an incredible intern department here at Rekluse.
And the number one reason I wanted to come to Idaho is a lot of farmer kind of engineering that worked out. And so that community piece was really important to us. That very first 50 products that we made, I think we exported some foreign competitor coming in and just trying to make something cheaper. And to give you an example of that, a lot of people think, I think he was in school, I think at the time for small engine tech. A lot of companies use outsourcing and outsourcing their parts overseas see it as a competitive cost. We first look locally. If we can find a supplier locally that's cost competitive, we will go to that supplier first. If we can't find one locally, then we'll go. So what's next for Rekluse? One of the things that we really need to focus on, Idaho City 100 happens every year in Idaho City, and asks a great place for manufacturing. But there are a number of challenges I think small manufacturers face in Idaho. 10 years ago, equipment that cost small manufacturers a lot of money. There's a couple of others. Joe particularly has pointed out both Tech Help, but also U.S.
Try to not repeat what they've covered. So this is National Manufacturing Day, and Tech Help is in business in Idaho. Manufacturing accounts, and you heard that there's still a huge opportunity from what Joe said, accounts for over 80% of the U.S.'s exports. Rekluse is like the perfect in workforce development, investing in a skilled workforce. You heard that as well. Workforce and more payout, right? What we really need is a focus, an industry cluster focus. And if you look at to be successful, to be truly our economy a lot, to have some of these other things that I just listed, I would contend that recreation technology is huge, and that should be our focus. with leaders like manufacture in the U.S. and in Idaho and as close as he can to home. So Spirit of Continuous Innovation Award, Tech Help. So I mentioned the manufacturing extension part.
It doesn't really seem, like Sean said, it doesn't really seem. Thanks.
If everybody wants to gather around, we have a couple of